Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable save mode without power button and provide three different way. Go to your control center, showing you to save mode is on. Tap on, then showing you to turn off your save mode option. Just press on to turn off, then disable your save mode. And the second way, open your settings, scroll down, click on to accessibility, press on this option, make sure to enable assistant menu. Now turn on this, now turn on my assistant menu. Okay, press on this arrow option showing it to power up menu, press on and just press on to restart, then turn off your save mode. And last and third solution, go to your control center, you get power option, press on to restart. Okay, alright, now successfully turn off save mode.